Hello everyone, welcome to Genomics Lab. I am going to give a short demo to construct an evolutionary tree using PyML. The evolutionary tree is used to find the relationship between the species. PyML is abbreviated as Phylogenetic Interface using maximum likelihood. It implements a fast and accurate heuristic for estimating the maximum likelihood phylogenesis from DNA and protein sequences. This tool provides the user with a number of options, example, non-parametric bootstrap and estimating of various evolutionary parameters in order to perform the comprehensive phylogenetic analysis on large dataset in reasonable computing time. This is the home page of the PyML. Here we should submit the input data. For that I have taken 20 sequences of 20 different families of a marine animal which belongs to the same kingdom Animaliae and order Sclerectiana. Before that, the input data should be in a single text file containing 2 or more alignments of DNA or protein sequence in phylip, interleaved or sequential format. For that, I have taken the cluster W to align the sequence. The output forward should be chose as phylip and choose the data type and export the file. Then execute the multiple alignment. Download the phylip aligned format. Submit the phylip aligned format in PyML homepage. These are the two methods which automatically selects the best model, and these are the three methods which is based on the maximum likelihood to save the computing time. The bootstrap is used to calculate the reliability of the tree. The number of the bootstrap replications is fixed by the user. I am giving the bootstrap value as 100. If needed, the email ID can be filled. The result will be sent to the email ID and then execute the result. Click this link to go to the result page. This is the result page of the submitted sequences. Here we can download the result in zip format, and the best model is represented as GTR plus G. GTR plus G, this is the 3 is the best model and the lowest number which gives the best method, and AIC is the best method. Here we can see the visualization of the tree. This is the evolutionary tree of the submitted sequences. Here we can change the representation of the tree as radial, slanted, phylogram, dendrogram. Here we can align the text. By displaying the support value, we can show the reliability between the species. If it is 70%, it is reliable. More than 70%, it is more reliable. Less than 50% is less reliable. By inferring the tree with reliability, it shows that 100% of the support value, which shows the Portidae and Turbinolidae, these two species are very closely related. 39% of the support value shows that Euphyllidae and Dendrophilidae, these two species are very less closely related. Lobophilidae and Phasmocoridae, these two species are very distantly related. Thank you.